Having an SSD or solid state drive for your computer is now become mandatory. In this video, I am going to give you unboxing and review of Kingston A2000 series, which is very budget friendly SSD series from Kingston, and I am going to give you a review. I am going to use 250GB variant. Hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notification of future videos. Also, you can join our channel membership starting at 59 rupees per month, where you can get exclusive shoutouts, and 159 rupees you will get exclusive live stream videos. If you want to make websites for your business, or if you want to promote your local offline business, log on to ovophonia.sometips.com now and order your project. I have bought it from Amazon at Great Indian Sale with bank offer 3500 rupees. Again, you will get another 350 rupees off for the bank offer. So that's all in the pricing. I will give Best Buy link in the description. You can always buy it from there. So in the box here you can see it comes with 5 years of warranty or 150 terabytes of host write. So if you have written 150 terabyte data, then your warranty will expire whether it is 5 years completed or not. And here you can see this is pretty much the box, and it is written 35x faster and 250GB is written there, and this is a very small inside. So this is NVMe slot SSD, so it will attach with your motherboard in NVMe slot, and this is very budget friendly series, and A2000 series is known for budget friendly. According to the price point, this is very good value for money product. So right now I'm going to show you how you can install in your motherboard. So first of all, you have to cut the manufacturing unit, whatever you have received in this, so you have to cut it from the middle. Then the SSD will come out. This is pretty much like the pen drive. This kind of packaging comes with pen drive. So this is also SSD and very small. I can say this is a 10 rupees Cadbury size device. Here you can see this is from the back side. It is quite a blue, and in the front side the Kingston logo is there, and 250GB is written there. So how you have to attach it in your M.2 slot or NVMe slot in your motherboard? I am going to use the MSI B450M Pro VDH Max. Here you can see how you can install it. After inserting in the slot, it will be 30 degrees towards up. Then one screw will be given with your motherboard or laptop, whatever you have. Then you have to attach the screw with it. Remember, the screw will not be given with the SSD. You have to manage it from the manufacturing of motherboard company. So here you can see this is how it looks like. In the task manager it will show around 233GB will be usable out of 250GB after formatting. And here you can see all the specs, and there is the bottom. Here you can see written 1270GB. That's mean 1 terabyte already written out of 150 terabytes. So if you calculate 150 terabyte, you will get around 80GB per day for the 5 years. So this is a normal our 7200 RPM hard disk speed, and right now this is the SSD speed, and speed you can see read speed is around 2028 megabytes, and write speed is 1272 megabytes. So this is pretty much what claims from the Kingston, this kind of speed claims from the Kingston. And here you can see this is the Atto speed benchmark, and again I have tested around 2000 megabytes read speed will get all over the time. So that's pretty much it. If you want to buy this SSD, I will give the Best Buy link in the description. Do buy from there, and if you have any question, do let me ask in the comment section. I will happy to help you. Till then, my next video, goodbye and take care.